Yeah, I got these things. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing these thingies right here. So it's been a while since I've done an unboxing. So me and my mom were out at Walmart earlier today. She sent me out to get snacks, but instead I went to the toy section to go Bluey merch hunting. I wanted to get Bingo's Bingo, but unfortunately they were out of stock, so I got these instead. And then I went to the snack section. These are cheap cubes, so I don't expect them to be superior. World record setting brand, or Marca del Récord Mundial, which is 3.47 seconds. And this one also says 3.47 seconds. Whatever, let's start with the 2x2. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a little cube stand in there, okay. Ah, okay, we got the cube. And it comes with a little cube stand. That's neat. Frosted, this is... Usually the logo is on the white side, but whoever next cube is decided to put the logo on the blue side. Oh, what... That one's very dry, bro. Corner cutting isn't very good. The plastic definitely feels nice, but it turns not very good. Again, I don't expect these cubes to be superior. This was like $4 at Walmart, and this was like $7. Next is the 3x3. Let's just put the 2x2 off to the side. Oh, there we go. And this one also came with the cube stand. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that feels very tight. Corner cutting isn't very good. It definitely sounds dry. So, some final thoughts about these cubes. I definitely like the frosted plastic, and the color scheme looks awesome. But to quality standards, they're not the best. I mean, with some breaking in, I think it'll help a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.